Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous pill, I talked about variables, reserved words, i.e. those words you can't use to name your variables, and what case sensitive means. In this pill, the matter remains variable. Is it possible to create a variable that is a number? Can we use number as a variable? No, don't commit this crime. Imagine that you want to assign a value to a numeric variable. Assign text or a string to a number. Python won't allow you to do that. After all, number is a number. But what if you want to assign another value or another number to a number? Doesn't work either. It's simply not possible to assign another numeric value to any number. Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next pill. Bye bye.